Hi, this is Todd Sudek. I'm the president of the Ding King, and 20 years after 9/11, it still haunts me, the things that I witnessed with my eyes on that morning and the years afterwards. And to all of our first responders, to the families that lost loved ones, to our military, to every American, my heartfelt wishes for peace and unity, and the feeling that we felt as Americans back in 9/11 of 2001, we felt unity. And we've had a few divisive years here behind us, but if we can all come together and regroup and feel that feeling and recapture that feeling, I think it would do a lot to bringing our nation together and making us feel together as one as Americans. So, and again, my heartfelt wishes to everybody that lost a loved one or was affected by 9/11. God bless.
20 years. It's hard to believe because it does seem like yesterday. We will never forget. We always remember this day and always think about those who sacrificed, ran in there to save others' lives.
We will never forget.
We never forget.
Never forget.
We will never forget.
We will never forget.
20 years later, we never forget.
We will never forget.
Hey everybody, this is Mel Craig, and tomorrow's a somber day. I remember it like it was yesterday, September 11th, and it was 8:45 in the morning, and literally, I've got goosebumps right now, sitting here looking at the camera, letting everyone know that as Americans, things have really changed this past few years, and we truly need to come together. We need to come together like we did that day. We need to make every day special, like those months following 9/11. We are Americans. We all need to stand together. This is Mel Craig, coming from the heart. I'm out.